Ever used Beforepay and wondered how to actually get your hands on that cash? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Beforepay withdrawals. Can you actually take your money out? And if so, how does it work? Beforepay is a pretty cool concept, right? Get paid early, stress less. But let's be real, the real test is whether you can actually access those funds when you need them. So, let's break it down. Firstly, the good news, yes, you can withdraw money from Beforepay. But the method might depend on how you received your early pay. Direct deposit. If you received your early pay directly into your bank account, well, that's your withdrawal method. You already have access to your funds. Beforepay card. If you use the Beforepay card for purchases, those funds are already spent. Cash out. Some Beforepay platforms offer a cash out option. This usually involves transferring your early pay to your linked bank account. Check your Beforepay app or website for details on how to initiate a cash out request. Now, a few things to keep in mind. Withdrawal fees. Some platforms may charge a small fee for withdrawals. Processing time. Cash outs can take some time to process. Eligibility. Withdrawal options may vary depending on your Beforepay plan and account status. The best way to find out the specific withdrawal process for your Beforepay account is to check the Beforepay app, look for a withdraw, cash out, or transfer option within the app. Visit the Beforepay website, explore the Help Center or FAQs section for detailed instructions. Contact Beforepay support. If you're still unsure, reach out to Beforepay customer support directly. They can provide personalized guidance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.